Hi there, I'm Francisco. I'm one of the product managers at Glofox, and today I want to give you a quick tour of Amplify. Amplify is our customer engagement add-on, which allows you to create automated sequences of messages that reach out to your members at key points of their journey. With Amplify, you know that every member is getting the right message at the right time, giving you back more time to focus on your business's top priorities. But how does Amplify work? You can start by going to the Connect and then to the Messages tab, where you will see a list of Amplify's workflows identified by its name tag. You can then set all of these workflows to active or inactive. And in this case, I'm going into the new leads workflow, but I recommend that you explore all of them. Once you open an Amplify workflow, you will see that they have a name, a description, and a Workflow and Insights tab. In the Workflow tab, you will see a flow start rule. This determines who receives these messages, and a stop rule, which determines when the messages stop being sent. Each workflow already has a template that was built following the industry's best practices in order to ensure you get the best results. But if you really want to customize the workflow and the series of messages, you can easily do so by enabling or disabling specific messages, by editing their content, or by adding entirely new messages, be them email, SMS, or push notifications. And lastly, you can go into the Insights tab, where you will see some relevant data points about how the workflow is performing. We're always adding new capabilities to Amplify, so we'd love to get your thoughts and for you to reach out to us with any questions you may have.